Yo, what up, chat? Good morning, good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. Let's party. What up, what up? good? How y'all feeling? Everyone doing good? Happy Tuesday. Let me just get the Zoom set up here. Zoom. How y'all feeling today? Everyone doing good? Happy Tuesday. It's good to be back on the charts after the bank holiday yesterday. A little bit of slow action. Let me just share my screen. My bad, chat. I was building a car online. I completely lost track of time here. All right, Zoom link is out. Let me share my screen. Screen is good. Bring these down. Perfect. Awesome. Who do we got? What up, Dennis Hood? Dennis Hood's here today. What up, Z Gamers? Z Gamers in the house. Who else we got here today? What up, Louis G? What up, Classic Trader? Shiro's in the house. Got a Trade is here. What up, everybody? What up, Candle Slanger? Oh, damn. Hold on one second. Hold on. All right. Everyone join. Okay, cool. My bad, Zoomers. All right, cool. All right. What up, Alan? What up, Tommy? AJ's in the house. What up, AJ? What's up, everybody? What's good? Let me just lower the music here. We're going to get to it, start the party, and get this lovely Tuesday started. What up, Nathan? What up, Captain? What's good, Freddie? What up, everybody? What up, Rob Trades? All right, let's lower this, and I think we are good to go here. Good to go. So cool. So happy Tuesday, everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. It's good to be back. Good to be back on the desk. No more bank holidays here. So we got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to dominate, right? To dominate the market. So that's what we plan on doing here today. I am in a trade right now currently. Let's just go over some stuff here in Forex Factory. Then we'll get to the charts and see what we got going on. So really nothing here in the headlines here today for the US dollar or the pound. Everything for the pound had already came out here, so it should be pretty chilling. Pretty chill day for the most part. We've got a speech later on here at 1 p.m., but we'll be long off the charts by then. And yeah, that's about it. So let's take a look at the charts. What up, YOLO Trader? What's good, Donald? Yes, sir. Everyone's here. Hey, if you guys could like the stream, give the stream a like on your way in here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the charts here. So I'm in this position here based off of the 15-minute break of the highs here, 15-minute onion play for price to move back up. Will it work out? I don't know. We kept our stops below these lows here, which is the 4-hour wick. We're starting to slow up here though, right? 30-minute candle closed very weak. This candle still has no top wick. This 30-minute candle also closed above the range here. So yeah, just letting this thing ride and planning on seeing this move up here today, right? If you look at the 1 hour, we need to create some sort of support, and the 1 hour should continue moving up. We're pretty bullish based off the day. Let's go ahead and break all this down though right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on here. So weekly candle has finally pushed up, right? So previous weekly candle had no top wick on it, and that was an issue, right? We tapped into this support level down here. Price basically filled this wick, tapped support, and closed bearish, but with no top wick there. So the candle moved up, and we've got that top wick now. We've seen a very drastic push up here over the last couple days, and daily candle closed bullish here, right? So daily closed very, very strong bullish yesterday, and now we're anticipating this move up, right? This move back up here. So you have a clean move coming up, probably around 200 pips if the daily candle decides to actually move up here today. So that's what we're looking at in terms of the daily. Now 4 hours has been pretty bearish here. Looks like we're trying to fill this 4-hour wick here, right? So we've been moving down, creating this bottom wick, and I'm anticipating now a move back up so we can continue up on the daily on the higher time frame move, right? So going down now, taking a look at the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, you have a very strong support. You also have a resistance right here, and there hasn't really been a candle close below this support yet, right? So this candle also opened up with no top wick. It broke the lows. It's moving down here, right? Moving down pretty steadily actually, but it has no top wick yet. Same thing with the 30-minute candle. 30-minute candle closed very weak right at support. 15-minute candle gave us a support, but it looks like we're heading down to try and retest these wicks now. So will we fill the 4-hour wick, right? That's where my stops are hanging out, below that 4-hour wick there. Seems like we're starting to fill it. Will we reject, right? Will we reject and come back up to make this top wick, or will we continue down here in this clean range here today? So I am looking for sells on a closure below here, but this 15-minute created that support there. So, you know, look to anticipate the buys moving back up now. But it looks like we're coming down to these lows. We may get stopped out. I think my stops are about 30 pips here. So we may get stopped out if we break through these lows here. And if we do break through the lows, you should see a pretty steady push down, right? But we'll see what happens here. We will see what happens. So we'll see if we can move back up now and create that low. We've come down into this wick area, and we'll see if we can pull back up from here. So that's what I'm looking at right now on gold. But yeah, if we do get closures below, then there's a possibility for us to move down. But as of right now, I'm in a buy, looking to anticipate the daily candle moving back up here today. So let's see if we can get it. I think our stops are pretty close to getting tapped there, but let's see if price action remains true here. Cool. So that is that's my position there on gold. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for price to start moving back up here, right after creating a bottom wick here on the daily candle, for us to now re-break these highs and continue to move back up. So that's the plan here for today. If we do get closures below 1856, then I may be open to taking sells here in this clean range. So let's see if we can pull back up for our buys to work out. And yeah, that's gonna be the move right now here on gold. Cool. Which indicators I use? I really don't use many indicators at all. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at pound yen as well while we wait. Let's see what we got going on here. So weekly candle did close bullish, right? We closed bullish last week after this very strong rejection here. Now, will this candle want to flip and continue on up, right? That's the question. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. Daily did close bearish yesterday. Didn't have a top wick. Looks like price did come up here to create that top wick. And, you know, overall, I mean, we may move down again, right? We may start to move down. So if we do break these lows, you have a support down here that GJ may want to retest. So we're going to be bearish on the day here. 4-hour candle did close with no top wick. So that's a pretty good sign for price to move down. Close below resistance here. No top wick. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is given some rejections here as well. We had a support resistance formed. Price is moving down here. So yeah, GJ looks pretty good to continue down. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 30-minute. 30-minute did have a support that we did close below. Again, no top wick on this current candle, so that could be a little spooky. Looks like we're coming down to fill the wick, but price may want to move back up just like gold here. So yeah, so that's gonna be it. I think if you can get probably closures below here on the 15, then we may look to come down here. If not, we may range a little bit in this current range here, and just have to wait for a breakout at that point. So pretty bearish though based off the day. Looks like we got that pack runner on the daily, and price may be ready to start moving back down now. So that's what I'll be looking and anticipating for GJ. Would like to see a top wick on this 1 hour candle though, for sure. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Targets are pretty clean too for pound yen. Daily may want to move here today. Yeah, if the daily can move here today, that'd be lovely. Yeah. What's good, James? What up, brother? Oh, gold coming back down here. Will we get stopped? Coming back down to retest these lows. Stops maybe coming. Maybe here. Trying to break the low there on the 4 hour. Will it break it? Gold update? Yes, gold's update. Yeah. Yeah. 15-minute gave us that onion right here. Gave us that support formed after all this rejection here. So I felt pretty good about, you know, the move coming back up now. So we waited for the highs to break. They did. And of course, right, that's where price started pulling back from there. So kept stops below these lows here and hoping that, you know, price will, if it comes down into this range, which it is, not break those lows there. So that's kind of what we're looking at as of right now. But we may get tapped out here. I believe my stops are like 32 pips. What up, AB Mike? What's good, brother? How you doing, man? How you doing? Let's see if 8 cap's coming for me. Buenos dias. Yo, yo. How y'all feeling though? Everyone good? Oh, wow. Look at that. Right at it. Okay. All right, who we got here? 8 cap. All right, 8 cap. Holy. Whew. Wow. So it's a good day to be on stream. Yes, sir. I've noticed I'm considerably better in my trading since the end of... Oh, nice. Awesome. Yeah, it's a boost of confidence right there, man. Good stuff, AB Mike. Good stuff, bro. Bradley's in the house. What up, Bradley? How you doing, bro? How you doing? Hey, what up, Toby? Good morning, bro. How you feeling today? Who else did I see here today? What up, David? What up, Options? What's up, Daniel? Yeah, if you guys haven't entered positions, if we do end up closing back above bullish, there's gonna be more opportunities here today. So just sit tight. Yeah, this trade was heavily based off the 15-minute time frame. Support came down right after all this rejection. We got a support form. We entered on the break of the highs, and price pulled back at that point. So that was what this trade is based off of, the 15-minute time frame. Oh, doing great, bro. I'm up almost 6%. Nice. Very good job. Awesome. YOLO trader. What up, YOLO? What's goody? What's the name of the music in the background? Right here. The relaxed movement. Relaxing lo-fi. Let's see. It's not relaxing when you're... yeah, it's pretty relaxing. It's chilling. You Gucci? Yeah, I'm Gucci off the face. How you feeling? Do you feel some type of pressure when you lose on stream? Not really. Not really. It's just a loss. I mean, there's some other people losing with me, which is maybe a little added pressure, but nah. I mean, I'm just gonna stick to my trades, and you guys can follow me if you like, you know. So I keep that in mind. Like, you guys have the option to follow it. You can if you like it. You don't have to if you don't. We're just here to chill and talk and kind of bounce ideas off each other. So yeah, I'm never too caught up in that stuff these days. Any advice for a new funded trader? Yeah, just take your time with it now, right? You got the account, you've done the work, you know, don't blow it, right? Just enjoy the profits, right? Enjoy the fruits of the work that you did. You know, don't try and get a million other accounts and make your capital 100 times bigger, right? Just focus on getting some payouts, getting paid. Take advantage of the capital that you got. Trusting in your strategy helps draw down. Yeah, exactly. Yep, exactly. How do you stay calm and come back after a loss? Pretty simple, man. Like, remember, all the pressure is on the playbook. You know, I don't put any pressure on me as a trader. The only pressure I put on myself is to be disciplined, you know, and that is to be disciplined to get into positions, be disciplined to stay out of positions. And I know that the end result, the outcome of any given trade is completely random. So that doesn't testify whether I suck or not, right? That's just whether or not the probability was on our side or not, you know, because I mean, we have 95 wins, 27 losses. You know, I trust in the playbook, right? I trust in the playbook. So if I would have got super upset over 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 10 or 20 or 27 of those losses, I don't think we'd have 95 wins, right? I don't think we would. You know, you just got to keep trusting in your playbook, trusting in your process, and, you know, taking the trades as they come. Yeah, win, lose, or draw, you just come back and look for the next best position you can find. How was that steak last night? It was good. It was good. If you accept the risk before entering, yeah, there shouldn't be any stress or issue. Yeah, exactly. I've become much calmer as a trader, which is super underrated. Yeah, it is. It is. Thanks to awesome. Yeah, glad to hear that. Yeah, and sometimes you may just have to take some risk off, right? Just, you know, chill out, and, you know, that way you're not always antsy in a trade. You know, you don't want to be antsy in a trade and, you know, worried and all that, right? You just want to trade and have fun with it, right? Trust in your process, trust in your plan. You don't want one loss to, you know, to give you such a big hit that you like doubt yourself. You know what I mean? I failed on phase 2. Should I redo it? It's either that or what? What's the alternative? If 30 closes below, will I look to manage it? Yeah, if the 30 closes below, I may look to manage it. What's my first TP? Probably 1859 here. Somewhere up here, 1859. Yeah. But we're coming back down here. Back down to revisit. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Why did I sell? I didn't sell. I took a buy. Yeah, I took a buy. Took a buy at the break of the previous 15-minute highs there. Yeah. Right off this 15-minute candle. Right there. Yeah, that probably stopped me out. Yeah, I was looking to basically had like a 31 pip stop, and I was looking to anticipate the move back up here on the 15. So like there was like a 70, like a 60 pip move ahead of us there. So that's what we were looking to target, but I think I might have got stopped on that. Hold on. Yeah, I was thinking about keeping my stops below the lows here as well, but yeah, I felt these were fine. I think I got stopped. Yeah, I got stopped out there. So yeah, that was like a 32 pip stop, I think. Yep. All good, right? I was anticipating that support being formed here and price moving back up. So let's see. Did we come down and just tap me out and then we move back up? We'll see. Tap me in, tap me out. It's tap dancing. Gold coming at 1848. Yeah, it could. Yeah, gold can go anywhere. Gold could literally go anywhere at this point, right? So if you get a 30 closure below in 6 minutes, then you have clean traffic coming down, right, after breaking through these lows here. So yeah, you never know, right? You came up, it looks like 15-minute tried to give a top wick, but never broke the high, and now coming down here. So yeah, I was thinking about keeping my stops below here. Let's see if that would have worked out. I want to see the playbook. Do I cut my losses? Yeah, I would have if the 30 closed below, like let's say I didn't get stopped and the 30 still closed below the range like this, even if it was up here. So like let's say my stops were down here, I would have just cut the trade right there. So yeah. Yeah, let's see what happens here if we move up now. Mm-mm. 15 minutes weak confirmation. Yeah, it is. It's much weaker than 30-minute, right? So if we waited on the 30-minute, would have never taken a position. But the 15-minute read was pretty good, especially, see, my thing was all these rejections here, right? All these rejections already happening in that area. You know, anticipating price not really wanting to come back into this area, especially after breaking the high right there, not wanting to come back into this zone here after wicking down in there multiple times, right? But price will do anything, right? So price came back down in here and broke through those wicks, and now we'll see, you know, what happens here on the 30-minute close. 30 minutes close in 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes here. $15 candle was big. Yeah, it was. It was a nice bullish candle here too. Right? Forget about all this. All right, we closed very nice. Right at support, right? So that's how it looked when we took the entry, and basically price had rolled bullish, gave us a top wick, came down, gave us a bottom wick, and then rebroke that high, right? So that's how we got entered into the trade. Came up a little bit and then Right back down. Right back down. How much lot size was that? That was a, I think I was using a 29 lot, 30 lot. Yeah, I was risking like 2.3%. Week, yeah. Weaker. Yeah, I think 30 minute time frame is probably the best, right? So maybe we could have just waited on the 30. But the cool part about the 30 was that it closed weak, right? It closed very weak, right above support as well. So at that point, I was already in the trade. I was gonna hang on to that, right? It closed weak, above support. This candle opened up. It created a bottom wick right away. So you would anticipate this candle possibly moving back up, right? But no go there. So let's see if we actually close and where we close here in 2 minutes. What up, Green? Green's in the house. What funded broker do I use? I use ACAP. Sheesh. Oh, what happened here? Yeah, look at that. Came right down to my stop and moved back up. Yeah, I was thinking about holding my stops a little bit lower. I'm surprised ACAT didn't put you out earlier. Yeah, me too. I was shocked. Loads of new people here today. What up, everyone? Welcome if you're new. Hope you guys are doing good today. If you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. And if you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're here every day, Monday through Friday, trading gold and GJ here. So come join the familia. Yeah, look at that. Pulling back up now. Will the 30-minute close above? What's going to happen here in 1 minute? Oh, my God. If this thing closes above... Green in the building. What up, Corey? Corey's in the house. UFC 229. Oh, who's fighting? What's the big fight? Yeah, who's the big fight for that one? What's up, Forex Frank? Good to see you. Yeah, I probably would have closed that position anyway right there. Yeah, I'm still, I'm going to wait now for the 1 hour candle to close here. Yeah, I'm not going to take sells. I'm going to wait for the 1 hour here. 1 hour still has no top wick. There could be some funky business going on. 15-minute slowing down in this rejection zone. So yeah, I'm going to wait for NY open here. What up, TK? What's good, my dude? How you feeling today, brother? want to see. I'm very curious to see. I think this hourly candle is going to close above here. Yeah, looking something like this guy. Yeah, if that hourly candle closes bullish, then that's where the buys are going to come in from. So the 15 wanted to come back down one more time into this area, and the buys may come up now. Yeah, I want to see how this 1 hour candle closes here. How's the weather out here? Oh, beautiful, man. Just perfect. Absolutely perfect this morning. Oh, yeah. Can I explain why I took the buy? Yeah, we took the buys off the 15-minute time frame here. So go ahead and just visualize this, right? So candle closed like that, bullish. You had a support form on the 15-minute time frame. We were looking to take the buys back up. And this was the idea out of the trade, right? To take buys now, moving back up from that support. But looks like price had different plans for us here. So now we gotta wait. Now we wait on the 1 hour candle. Oh yeah, GJ's not bad here. GJ, we are bearish on the day as well. 4 hour moving good. Yeah, this ain't bad. 13 pip stops. Yeah, that's not bad. The question is, do we wait for NY open? That's the question here. Yeah, I think we wait for NY open. This might drive, but I'm going to wait here for some more volume, because if we can pull back on the 1 hour and then get a wick fill coming down to break these lows, then that's going to be a higher probability trade setup. You feel like this month's gonna be bad for you? Oh man, don't feel like that. You'll be alright. It's gonna be a great month, man. Why would you feel that way? You gotta pump yourself up, bro. Come on. Go look in the mirror and say, I'm feeling this is gonna be a great month. So we're gonna wait for range 2 for the buy? No, if we're bullish on the day, we don't need range 2. So if we're bullish on the day, you don't need a range 2 buy, right? You can take buys where you feel like there could be a strong support. I personally felt like there was a strong support here, right? Based off the 15 close, based off of all this rejection to the downside. Price closed, we closed above, strong bullish on the 15. 30-minute was looking really nice at that point as well. 1 hour also was looking good because there was very little to no top wick, so it looked like it was going to continue moving up. And 30-minute close very weak, bearish, right above support. So as we got that support on the 15, what I was anticipating again was the move up, right? After we broke these highs here, we were expecting to see price move up and now get going for the day, right? Start to get on it for the day and move up like this. So that was the plan here for that last trade, but the 15, I guess, wanted to come a little lower, and it's still trading a bit lower now too. So that's why the 1 hour closure is going to be our best friend here now. Are you bullish on gold today? Yes. Yeah, but I'm still open to taking sells. But I think we need a strong 1 hour closure below that support there. What up, Zoomers? How y'all feeling? Y'all good? Let's see here. We have a saying in our country, even a bad experience can be done. It's gonna be A-okay. Yeah, we say that too. A-okay. Candle might close doji. Might. It might. Podcast today? Yeah, they're gonna drop the podcast today, guys. The Forex beginner podcast. Yeah, we got an interview. I had a conversation, great conversation with Calvin, man, on and off the camera, and it was fantastic. But they're gonna be dropping their episode here today. They just did some big ones too, man. They had Q on, they had Alex G on, they had a few big guys, few big dogs. What book would you recommend for beginners? The Forex Mindset. Yeah, I would recommend the Forex Mindset there. Yeah, these brokers are sketch, bro. Sketch. Like what? How am I not? I didn't even reach that area, number one. This one, all right, we reached that, but my entry didn't even. Some people in the signals channel didn't get activated, right? Yeah, this may now be the fake out here that needs to happen. Why do I have it marked to fake out for buys? Oh, that was when price was up here. When price was up here, I was looking for a fake out to continue up. Let me get rid of that. Yeah, and then I was looking for, it was either that or range 2 sells below, right? So you came down, created support, created resistance, and you know, there was selling opportunities there. But you know, once you came into that support level, you know, without closing, you know, maybe we could have waited for a higher time frame. That was it there, right? I think the only issue was the 15-minute time frame there. But hourly candles pulling back. Price is probably going to do exactly what we anticipated. I didn't get activated. Yeah, you see that? They slip and slide on us, man. Damn, son. They came and got me the first time, and for some reason it didn't get me, man. They would push it down. Oh yeah, yeah. This will probably do exactly what we anticipated doing, you know. Yeah, it never even got to the. If you guys look, right? If I stretch this out, look at this. Never even got to my entry point. I'll give him the benefit of the doubt of the 1 pip spread. Yeah, here it is. Let's see if we can close bullish. If we can close bullish here in 19 minutes, that's going to be probably another opportunity here for us. GJ, I want to wait for the 1 hour here. Yeah, I want to wait for volume, right? I want to see volume come in the market. That's what I want to take advantage of, right? Basically just took a L due to no volume moving up for gold yet. So I want to wait now for volume, right? To come into the market so we could take advantage of it. Do I ever use trading alerts on TradingView? Not really. I'm usually in front of the charts when I'm trading. I'm rarely ever, you know, trading and not paying attention. Would I go long again? Yeah, I would. Yep. Yeah, this may be an opportunity here for us to give this trade a second chance, right? If we end up closing bullish, if we end up, especially on the 1 hour, then this will be an opportunity for us to take advantage of the volume coming in, right? For us to give this trade a second shot here. So yeah, definitely. Yeah, we just took a trade. Waza. Yeah, we just took one now. Yeah, enter buys off the 15-minute here. What if you take 5% daily loss? I believe the company will probably shut down your account. They say if you keep watching the charts after you make your position, you're gonna enter and overtrade. Oh, I don't really have that problem. Yeah, that used to be a major problem for me, but not anymore. What's your thoughts on the GJ? I'm bearish, but I want to see the hour close here. Yeah, previous 15 close at no bottom wick. I want to see how the hour closes. Yeah, because we got 8 a.m. New York Open coming up here. So if we can get a nice hourly candle closure, then I think that's going to be pretty solid. You're using MT5? Yeah. Yep. What up, 808? Trade still valid, didn't get stopped out. I got stopped, man. I was thinking about moving my stops a little bit to, below this low here, but I never did that. And look, price came down and just nipped me out there and then moved back up. So we'll see if the anticipated move ends up going down anyway. That's really all I care about mainly at this point, right? I want to see if we're going to actually move back up here, or are we actually going to close below on the 1 hour, right? Because that's going to give me direction for a new trade, for a new potential opportunity. Do I keep looking at charts after stream? No, for a little bit, because I do some, I usually kind of hang around the office a bit for like an extra hour, meeting with people and doing elite sessions. So yeah, so I'll watch for like another hour or two, or maybe like another hour, hour and a half. But after that, I'm out and about and moving around. What do I do for a living? I just live. I just live for a living. Pack runner? Could be. Definitely could be. If the 30 closes like this, I'll be open to taking sells here. We'll have like a 30-minute, really nice 30-minute play. If you guys have seen this pattern here before, typically if price closes like this, when price breaks the lows there, you'll see a nice drive down. So especially for like NY Open. So we'll keep an eye on the closure here. And if we can get that closed, then we'll take our sells coming down. If not, we may get candles closing bullish, right, above the range. And therefore, 8 a.m. and NY Open may decide to bring us up, right? So that's what we're looking at. That's the two options in front of us here within the next 13 minutes. So we'll see how it goes. Am I a full-time trader? Does that mean, like, are you asking, do I have like a job or something or another business? I have a couple other investments, but yeah, all I really do is trade. I've been doing this for like 2 years now. Why am I bearish on pound yen? Daily close bearish here. So previous daily candle closed bearish, creating resistance. This candle may want to move down here today. So that's why I'm bearish on pound yen. 4-hour close at no top wick, right at resistance. 1 hour is all kind of giving us that that new resistance here on the 1 hour. So yeah, that's why I'm bearish. How long for the 400K? Oh, this is unlimited time. So that's why I'm just taking my time with it. Yeah, that's why I'm just taking my time. Yeah, I mean, back when we had the time limit, oh man. Sometimes you would, sometimes you catch me, I'll just make like 8% in a day. Just scalping the daylights out of trades, right? But we don't need to do that anymore, right? So there's no point. I think there was only a few times where I had to rush things up a bit. But even like, I think last time, remember when I first took out a 400K? That was still on the timer, right? That was still on the timer. So I remember I had 1 day left and just popped off and just like got like 5% a day. 6%, whatever it was. Yeah. Yeah, my Forex funds, I had a live account with them, but you guys know what happened there. So now I'm on the journey back to getting funded again. So that's kind of like what you guys are witnessing here. I may also open up a bigger live account as well. I use Dominion Markets. I have an account with them. I may open up a little bit of a bigger account with them as well. See if we could put it up on the copy trader. Why is my other account frozen? Something happened with that company that mostly you guys know about it, right? Something happened with my Forex funds. They were pulling some illegal nonsense, I guess. So yeah, so I had to rerun it up here now. You know. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Every adversity comes with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. And 100K, the way I look at it is 400K is a lot greater of a benefit than 100K. So I'm in alignment, man. Which one do I prefer, celery or fake out? Either whatever price wants to give us, honestly. I'm just gonna follow price action here, as always. Yeah. My brother Nick, you're the man. Hey, yo, what up, Calvin? Forex Beginner Podcast in the building. Shout out to Calvin. It's good, brother. Good to see you here, man. Hope you're having a great morning so far. How's the weather down there in sunny Miami? Forex or crypto, which is a better choice? You know, everything's personal, man. There's no one size fits all here. Like, it really just depends what fits you best, you know, as a trader, and what interests you more. You know, for crypto, I was never really super interested in crypto, so going over there and trading it just didn't make sense for me. I always loved gold, and I always, you know, admired the fluctuations of gold and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's why I trade it. Where's Sam? I'm sure Sam's on the way. Give him some time. Give him some time. Yeah, crypto, I would more so hold that, right? I would buy crypto and just hold that. Not really necessarily day trade it. Yesterday I got stopped out without reaching my stop loss. Oh, it's getting spooky. I've been in crypto for 2 years, but I found myself in Forex. You like it better? Yeah, sometimes one's going to work better than the other just for your own personality, your own you know, style of learning and all that good stuff. So yeah, there's no one size fits all here in trading. Weather's great. Dropping the kids off. Listening to you, my man. Oh, nice. Tell the kids, hope they have a great day. Tell them anything is possible here today. And that whatever they could see in their mind, they could bring it to reality, man. Them kids, man, they're the realest ones. They are the realest anyways. You catch them in the hotel lobbies, right? They're just up and down, up and down, up and down. They just press the buttons. I remember these kids, we used to go to business conferences. These little kids would be in the elevator just up and down, right? They're the only real ones. They know how to have some fun. I watch my kids, they play at the park, man. They know how to do it. Us adults, man, sometimes we let the world get in the way. Let the world turn us into some grown-up. Come on, all y'all were kids. You were kids before. You know the grown-up. You're not that guy. Why are we trading gold? I don't know. Good question. Why not? Oh, what's good, Johnny boy? Let's get Johnny boy up here.
What up, Nick?
What's good?
Morning.
How we feeling?
How we doing? Feeling amazing.
Fantastic, bro. Doing great.
Awesome.
Johnny Gems in the house.
What's up, chat? Happy Tuesday. Go.
Yes, sir. 1 hour.
Another
what
day.
you gonna do?
Another day, another discipline, y'all.
Yeah, man. How's your morning going?
It's going great, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, what about your morning?
Good, man. Doing real good.
When's
Waiting
the best time for the day?
Yeah, waiting now. Waiting for this closure here at NY Open.
Yeah, it's a big closure here. I want to see where it closes.
Oh yeah.
Close back into the range or not.
Yeah. Yeah, we never closed below that support there. So if we do close bullish here, right, chat? If we close bullish like this, then this is that support that we needed on gold. And you should see a move up now with volume coming in at NY Open. So that's what we're looking here, looking to take advantage of if the candle closes bullish above the range here. I'll deliver the message. Nice. Our interview drops in 10 minutes. Oh, nice. Thanks again for blessing me with your knowledge. Hey, man, great conversation on and off the camera, bro. Appreciate you having me on there. Chat, they're gonna drop that podcast in 10 minutes, so you guys got to go check that out later on. And yeah, it's good. It's a good one. It's a good one, man. It was a good conversation. How many buys right now? Oh no, I'm not in a buy yet.
Calvin?
Yeah.
Calvin.
Shout out to Calvin, man. W's for Calvin in chat. 15-minute onion consistent setup. Ideally the 30. Yeah, ideally the 30 is going to work best. Yep. Yeah, maybe we could have waited on the 30-minute there. That was probably our only fault there. Where can we check out the podcast? You guys can check the podcast out at the Forex Beginner Podcast. You'll see it on YouTube. Go like the channel too. Sub to the channel as well. He's got a great heart and he brings on a lot of great people, and there's so much inspiration that comes out of that podcast there. He's had a lot of great people on there and just an overall solid dude in general.
Yep. I've watched his podcast. How the gems drops.
Yeah.
Great education.
Yeah, he knows how to ask really good questions, right? And when you ask really good questions, you get really good answers. So there's a lot of value there, man. Oh, look at this. Are we going to close above? Man, price came down and legit grabbed me. And that was it. Just moved right back up from there. Insane.
What'd you take 15-minute?
Yeah, it took buys off the 15-minute here.
Word.
That's the link. Oh, the link is here. Yeah, chat. Lock it in here. I may have buys coming up pretty soon here. I got pack runnered, yeah. I got packed here. Oh yeah, there it is.
Yeah, I like these buys.
Yeah, this is the Forex Beginner Podcast. So you guys can sub to the channel, man. It's a solid channel here. Yeah, it's had some great people on too, man. A lot of value, a lot of value. All right. All right. NY Open is upon us. What time does NYSE open? That opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, look at this. There goes the 1 hour. Lovely, lovely. All right, cool. Let me, I'm gonna lower my risk to 2% here. All right, awesome. So yeah, so if the 1 hour does end up closing bullish above the range here, which it looks like it should, and leaving us a top wick here in 1 minute and 30 seconds, then there may be opportunities for us here, right? Stops are about 25 pips to give this buy a another shot here. So potentially going to give this idea another shot of moving back up. Let's see if we could work out for us this time. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, this is the higher confirmation support that we're looking for.
Leave us a top wick here.
Yeah, leave us a top wick, and then we can keep our stops below the lows here because, well, you know, what's the chance that we move back down again, right? For a third time? Yeah, I don't think so.
Let's go to 30 confirmation here.
What'd you say?
That would a 30 confirmation.
Yeah, and a 1 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we want to see a wick down and then a break of the highs, and that may be our position. And if we're going to keep stops below these lows anyway, then that should be fine. We just need to see a little bit of a wick down, and then we could enter our position here. Where would I put TP? 1964. So if we look at the 1 hour, right, where would the 1 hour want to drive up to? Where could expect price to move up to today? Well, you know, maybe somewhere up in these ranges, right? Right around 1864. So that's kind of what I'm looking for there. So, all right, cool. So that's the bottom wick, chat. I'm going to have sell stops on the break of the highs here. Let's move this. Stops are going to be kept below the lows. All right, and that's going to be the trade. So, excuse me, we came down, right, for a second time, grabbed that liquidity. If we come back up and break these highs at NY Open, you should see a nice push up. So buy stops here. See if we can get activated. And then
Yeah, I remember once you put
stops.
this trade on.
My bad. Stops are yeah, I need to redo this order. Stops are gonna be above the previous candle low here. Let's see if we can do this very quickly. Okay, cool. So yeah, so stops are gonna be below those previous lows. Let me delete the first position. And that's what the trade's gonna look like for me. So signals channel, grab that second order right there. That's gonna be the trade. So we're gonna expect if this 1 hour breaks the highs here for us to continue up and start moving bullish here today. My bad, I didn't mean to say sell stops. My bad, bro. My bad, y'all.
Yeah, I remember we got a random outcome, right, to every trade. So make sure we're not over risking.
Yep.
Remember, the only thing we can control is our risk.
Don't over risk here today. Yeah, we have NY open, right? So if we break the high, we're counting on volume to drive us through and continue on up here. Give me one moment. I'll be right back.
Trade is 100%. What do you do? What do you mean 100%? Is this gold? Yes, this is gold. You remember, chat? This trade, once this trade is put on, it's out of your control, right? The outcome's out of your control. The outcome will be a random outcome. So keep that in mind. Don't be an over risker. Remember, the over riskers, they just are carrying, all they care about is reward, right? That's not what the professional trader focuses on. The professional trader does not focus on the outcome of any trade, focuses on his edge, and that's what we're focusing on here.
Yep. Simple, simple. 1 hour onion, yes, exactly. So same type of position that we attempted on the 15. Now we're just looking to attempt it on the 1 hour here. So I think I've been activated here, chat. So got into some buys. Got into buys on the break of the previous 1 hour highs here. Stop loss is going to be below the wick here. So below the 1 hour wick for about 28 pips. TP is going to be up here at 1864. And this is the trade. We're looking to anticipate the daily candle moving up at this point. 4 hour candle moving back up as well. 1 hour creating support to move up with volume here. So it's 8 a.m. NY open. Let's see if this candle's got what it takes. But that's going to be the trade here. Let me adjust this a little bit. Perfect. All right, cool. That's the trade. Win, lose, or draw. Another playbook setup. This time it's a 1 hour onion over a 15-minute onion, so a little bit stronger of a confirmation, plus volume, plus bullish day. You know, this is the times that we talk about, right? You've got to be disciplined enough to execute on your playbook, and whether it's a win or a loss, the real win takes place when the execution happens, right? And being disciplined to get into that position when you know it's a playbook, when the playbook is calling for it. Where am I going to close 80? I'm probably going to close 80 somewhere up in this range up here. Somewhere within like right around like 1860. Because I'm expecting volume to really start pushing us. Right? One way or another, volume's going to push here at NY Open. So yeah, I think 180 somewhere up in this range is probably going to be where I'm looking to close some partials. And then if we do end up closing bearish back below the range here, then that may be our sign to get up out of here. So if price does move bearish today, then hey, it just wasn't our day, right, to actually take buys here. So but that's what I'm looking at in terms of partials on a winning situation, is right around this area, which is about 37, like 35, 37 pips up. What's B? B is going to be like somewhere around this mid-range point. Yeah, I don't want to go B too early. I want to see if we can maybe see a move up and hold this for, you know, 2 or 3 30-minute candles here.
And just because we're in drawdown here, chat, doesn't mean it's a losing trade, right? We got the most logical stops here, previous candle stops. So once those get hit, if they do, that's when the trade will be invalid. But just because it's in drawdown, this trade is still valid.
Pretty much.
I like this a lot. Bullish. We're bullish today. We got a bullish candle close back to the range, create support. We got 8 a.m.
Yep. They already grabbed me, so.
Already. 8:20 in 10 minutes.
Oh, nice. This interview went for an hour. Yeah, you guys got to check this interview out later. This will be a good one. Yes, this one for an hour long. Wow. Dope. The man Calvin. Where's the volume today? Oh, we're waiting. We're waiting on it. Just wait on it.
Freaking brick in my place.
Is it?
Yeah.
Stay cold indoors in Florida, man.
Seriously.
What about Euro USD? I don't really trade Euro USD, so I'm not too sure. How long you stay live for? Usually we'll be live for like another 2 hours. Yeah, another 2 hours or so. Yes, sir, Nathan. Big blessed, baby. Big blessed. Oh, nice, nice. What up, Million Majesty? How you doing? How are you able to count the pips on the right side of the screen? That's with my magic keys. That's a secret that me and the mad scientist came up with. Yeah. Yeah, it's cold in the crib. What do you got going on today?
None, bro. Just chilling.
It should be pretty nice out. It's been cool a little bit in Florida. Last
Yeah,
couple
hell yeah.
days. It was nice out yesterday. I think we went up to like 80, 85. Today we'll go up to
Yeah, it got
85
hot.
again.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't beat it, man. In the morning time, just beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just beautiful in the morning.
I love going out in the morning.
Yeah, me too. Oh, it's rainy in Miami today. I'm sure it'll brighten up. I'm sure that'll brighten up.
Down south for sure.
820 push. We'll see where we're at 820. It is 812 right now. So we got 3 minutes left for the 15-minute candle to close.
Up here. 820 gonna push us on up, I believe.
Moving on up, moving on up.
Yeah, bro. What you got going on, man, today?
Grind all day, grind all winter. Yeah, nah, I'm got a few calls here, and then you know, gym sesh, and then whatever the day has to offer from there. Love from India. Hey, yo. Love from
Let's see
India.
if it rains pips.
Oh, it's cold in Toronto. I bet. I bet. Bet it is. If it's cold in New York, it's definitely cold in Toronto.
Peace. We're on 'em.
Where's Sam? I want to hear the weather in PA today.
Probably brick down there.
Barcode's gonna play out. TK takes on Toronto.
Damn, Capital, what's up? He says he's in lobby.
Oh, he's here? Sam is here. Let's find him.
Beautiful. Sam.
Mans is just chilling in his log cabin. No care in the world. What up, Sam?
With the fire. What up?
Fire
what up?
going.
What's Sam?
How we feeling today?
Feeling fantastic, bro. How about you?
Me too.
Feeling good?
Feeling
Oi!
great. Oh, look at the chat. Mitko.
Oi!
Oh,
Henry.
Sam's at his new place.
Big oi, big oi.
I'm in the new crib. It started to get a little heated. Up in the office.
Oh, it's getting brick out there, man.
Yo, that's hilarious.
What up, PA? Yeah. I'm in Switzerland, yeah. I'm in Davos.
Davos. Rich Davos.
What up, Osama?
Osama's in the house. YOLO Traders in the house. Christopher Barnes is in the building. What up, Christopher? Shad's in the house. What up, Shad?
Shad. What up, Shad?
Oi!
Classic.
Christian's giving an oi.
YOLO.
John needs a green screen. John need a green screen.
Word.
Johnny boy need that green screen.
True.
Where are you gonna go, John?
I
John's
got a
gonna.
couple on deck.
John's gonna rent the new cabin.
Let me send you the keys to one of the cribs. Screen.
John's gonna rent the new cabin in Aspen, right next to Sam Capital.
Damn, hell yeah.
Is that how it is, boys?
Great buddies, man.
Jet ski at the
Snowmobile?
Snowmobile at the crib. Trying to slide.
Imagine jet skiing in the
Nice.
snow.
Yeah, jet ski.
Let's go.
Let's
Hey, we
go.
gonna trade Sam? We out to the snowmobile.
Yes, sir.
That's funny. Aspen. John out here.
Yeah, you were asking. Oh, it's 45 right now, so I ain't gonna lie. I thought it was a little warmer. I mean, it was like 2 degrees warmer than yesterday, but I was like,
Yeah, it's getting too cold for
maybe
me at this point.
I'm starting to get used to it. It's like been a couple of days now.
Alright.
Yeah, the air conditioning is cold enough for me. I need to go
Seriously.
outside and feel some heat. Any advice for psychology? Yeah, I mean, just stick to a plan, right? Just, you know, trade, just literally simply, it's fun. It's funny because this comes up over and over again, but it's just like have a playbook that you can just rely on and trust on, and don't get caught up on the losses, right? You may experience 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses, right? That could come in a relatively short period of time, but you just gotta keep a good head on and understand that the results over time will yield you good results, right? You can't just get caught up on, you know, 1 or 2 trades, right? Or 1 or 2 weeks or 1 or 2 months for that matter, right? You just gotta, you know, focus on staying disciplined to the playbook and put all the pressure on the playbook. Yeah, you don't need to be great. You just have to have a great playbook and be disciplined to it. And that's going to take the emotions off you. I think we talked about emotions yesterday a lot. Yeah, we talked about emotions on yesterday's stream. You should go back and check it out because it really is true. I think we were talking about that right around like 8:30 yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday was good.
Yeah. Probably my first loss of the game. Hey, man, why you guys down? See, those are emotions there. No emotions, gang. No emotions. This trade could win or lose. There's 2 outcomes, win or loss, right? You got to be, when you enter the trade, you got to be ready for either or. You got to be totally cool with either or. Don't worry about it. Just hang tight. Don't doubt yourself, right? Don't doubt your playbook, right? If it hits stops, it hits stops. But while you're in a trade, man, you don't have to doubt it. You can be free to believe.
And we said this right before we even got activated. Every trade has a random outcome to it. So can't stress over one trade, right? You got to stay composed. It's the series of trades that plays out in the long run, right? Not just one trade.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see if 820 wants to push us up or down here. Let's see.
Stay long-term thinking. And we said if those lows break, that's when the trade's invalid.
Yeah. Yeah, those are our 1 hour lows hanging out there.
We got 820 coming.
Yeah, it's all part of the plan, right? All right. 27 losses here in the year, or what is it? Yeah, 27 losses, right? Those are a lot of losses. So your trading's gonna come with losing, man. There's no doubt about it. If you don't want to lose, definitely don't become a trader. You got to get used to losses. No one likes to take losses, right? But you're gonna take them in this game. So will the 1 hour break the lows? If it does, chat, this just wasn't our day here today. 2 solid playbook positions. Coming down to the lows here. So yeah, that stopped us out, right? That had to have.
Yeah.
Yep. So look, attempted this position, believed in that position. 1 hour closed above support here. Bullish, kept our trust in the previous 1 hour candles. Nothing we could do about that. Literally. Nothing we could do. Right? Bullish day. Yeah, the only thing that
I'll take that any day.
Yeah, only thing that wasn't on our side was the 4 hour, right? Other than that, everything was closing back above, and everything looked pretty clean to continue up. But yeah, that's the trade. And now I'm sure after we get stopped, I'm sure it'll probably pull up. Prefer static entry? Yeah, static's not bad too. Yeah, breaking up your position. Yeah, healthy loss for sure.
Definitely.
Do. Oh, you haven't been stopped yet? Nice, nice. Been taking losses over the last couple months? Damn. Damn, son. Oh, yeah, look at this driving down here now. Wow. Interesting here. Yeah, look, even if we did move stops on the original position, I think we would have been tapped out on that anyway. Yeah, we would have been right there. That Mayflower ship's still out there. It's still out there.
Yo,
It's sailing away.
That shit gone.
Jerome beat me again. Did I not mind those resistances? I did not mind them, no. I didn't mind them because we had a 1 hour bullish closure with volume coming in, right? So volume could have just as easily as it moved down, moved right up. So anytime that there's high volume that comes into the market and you have resistances, and they were on the 15-minute, right? 30-minute was clean. This trade was mainly based off the 1 hour. Then that's when volume is going to push through those resistances, right? So that's why we're always open to taking that position when there's volume coming into the markets. Yeah, it changes the game. Why you guys spreading so much hate? Yeah, what's up with y'all? Oh my god. Why y'all crying, man? Don't cry. What'd you guys lose? Like $4? Come on.
Hey, if you spread hate and negativity, that's a clear sign that you just don't like your life. So start liking your own life so you can spread more positivity to others.
Go ahead again.
If you
We got
lost
the
a lot of money,
Quakers in the chat.
we said don't over risk, you know?
All y'all coming here to find some free money. Quaking now. Look at y'all.
If you didn't over risk, you're chilling taking this trade.
Yeah, exactly.
But if you over risk, now you're upset because you lost a lot of money.
Lost 3% today? Yeah, I lost probably 4% here today. Yeah, you guys don't have a gun to your head, right? To take the trades. Right? You guys are just sitting here watching. Why y'all upset? What's up with you guys? If we would have won that trade, you guys would have been jumping up and down. So that's how I know you guys are emotional creatures. And that's why I know never to... I won't go there. All those...
Yo, W for Henry, W for following the plan, man. Like, we took a W. That's a W in disguise. A good loss is a W in disguise. Over the long run, we're going to be profitable by taking this trade every time we see it. So to worry about one trade, one loss, that's unprofessional and childish stuff in this industry.
Yes, sir. If you're so good, just take your own trades. Why you here copying mine?
Either way, I took a W today, right? Following the playbook equals W.
Yeah, exactly. That's what we always talk about, right? So now you have the opportunity to actually live it, right? The real W there was executing on our buys. We had a support form, 1 hour time frame, 8 a.m., bullish bias on the day, right? Price came down, kind of trickled around, rejected this zone over and over again, and then ended up coming back down, right? Typically that's not going to happen, especially at 8 a.m. with a 1 hour closure on a bullish day back above the range, right? So W on the day for those who executed, who understand the playbook, and that was a win for you, right? Regardless of the outcome of the trade, remember, we always talk that that's not the real win or loss. The real win or loss is executing on the plan, right? And if any trader denies that, then they clearly don't know what they're doing.
Yeah, and if you're emotional, like, at all, then you clearly just, you know, risk too much,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah,
Let's
exactly.
let that be a lesson for next time.
Yeah. Which trader can deny that? That following your plan is the best thing you can do in the markets. Let me hear it from some of the...
Nice.
Right? Are you going to tell me that's wrong? Because if you do, then I can clearly tell you have no idea how to trade. Exactly.
It's lower riskers.
No more
All
yapping.
you're worried. Yeah.
No more quaking.
And whoever over risks, that's a sign that all you care about is the reward, right? You're just thinking about the reward. You didn't even think that you could lose a trade, so you didn't put your risk into consideration. But that's the only thing that you can control in this trade, right? So keep that in mind for next trading.
T-Rez, brother, you don't have to come here. Like,
Yo,
no one's
can I
got a gun.
please-
Yet
listen.
you still show up every day because you have no idea what you're doing. So you're trying to learn from us.
That's what I was just
So
gonna
go
say.
to a different stream, bro. Maybe our trading style is not for you, right? Maybe you just suck at trading, right? And you just don't get it. But I would go to a different stream. Maybe I'm just not the trader for you, right? Go find a different mentor. Go find a different coach, bro.
Sure. Nick don't work for any of y'all.
4 months of straight talking, no profitability. If that was really the truth, bro, you wouldn't still be here.
Yeah.
Like, come on, bro. If that is, yeah.
The algo's got us today. Oh, yeah, let's see what happens here. Yeah. Yeah, no biggie, right? No big deal whatsoever. On to the next. Just like when we win a trade, we don't really celebrate, right? We don't really talk, right? It's just on to the next one. That's how we treat the losing trades too. Very, very simple. Anyone see the barcode? The barcode is in progress. Let's see what time frame. Oh, we may have a 30-minute barcode here. Green. How you coming to my full-time job right now? Talking reckless. Donvo trades the GOAT. Then why are you here, bro? When you sometimes when people when you say some things, it just exposes you, but it doesn't really matter because you're just a screen name, right, behind a chart, so you can't really get exposed. But man, what a losing mentality. Stop quaking, bro.
What kind of attitude is that?
That's funny. Yeah, so now we may start moving down here, right? Because now you have a pretty strong bearish closure back below the range. You may start moving down here at 8:30 now. So comics pushed us down, right? It looks like we created some sort of resistance there on the 15-minute time frame. 30-minute came back and closed below. You've got this clean range here. So it looks like gold may want to go down here today, right? So the daily kind of pushed up yesterday, but we may start to form some sort of resistance now, right? So if a resistance is formed, then most likely you're going to see, you know, price trickle down here over the next day or two, maybe create support and then continue moving up. So in a way, this was like it's like a 30-minute overextended breakout, right? Only on the daily time frame. So we may need to see some sort of retracement coming back down here for price to create a support. Right, so Tuesday, Wednesday, and then maybe Thursday now you come in, create support, and then Friday moves us back up here. So that could be what's going on here on the daily time frame as well. So we'll see. We'll see, but definitely expected this daily time frame due to the closure to continue moving up here. So tried the buys twice there today, but just doesn't seem to be our day here on the buys, right? Amen. Yeah, exactly. Wait, next. Barcode's not official. Yeah, the barcode's a joke. All right, give me one moment. I'll be right back, right?
What do I think? What do I think about those cells? These cells, clean wick fill right now. Hey, yo, what's up, Sam, man? What's good, brother? How you doing?
Same man.
Got it. Excuse me, yo.
Sandman with the plan. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm going to link up with my boy today.
Nice.
Down in Tampa. He's a pretty popular day trader too. I don't want to say any names though.
Top secret.
Top secret.
It's top secret. Chat would know the name.
Definitely have heard of him.
What's he say? Everything top secret. What up, classic?
Classic traders in the house. What up, classic?
Trader.
Oh yeah, let's mark that one up on the. Hold on one sec. We didn't mark this up. October. So that was 8 a.m. So NY open trade there. 10, 10, 223. 10, 10, 20, 23.
That was my first buy on gold in like I think 2 months or so.
Yo, word. We'll go back and see when we took our last buy. That was I believe, what was that? That was, let's go back, check it out. 27? Yeah, 27. Yeah, we haven't taken gold buys in a minute. Haven't taken gold buys in a minute. Let's switch it. What was that loss number 28 here on the live streams? 28 losses since the beginning of the year. Two. $28. All right, look. When did we take a gold buy last? Gold buy. Last gold buy was a loss too at 10 a.m. on the 8th of September.
Oh.
Where'd that dude go? Said he took like what losses was this guy talking about?
I don't know, man, but
Yeah.
Like what?
That's what I'm saying. He don't know.
just because you take the same trade to something doesn't mean you're gonna be profitable. Like,
My guy said I took losses all last month. Like, bro, what?
No, he did. He takes a win on the stream and he's like, my turn. Blows the account.
Don't count me in on all your losses. Get that away from me, man. You think gold is a buy though?
yo, Chaz, what about you? Are you a profit?
I could tell some of you guys don't even pay attention on stream because we already talked about the signals aren't going on the stream. So I could tell some of you guys aren't paying attention either. Hero of the day. Haven't seen you close one. So, dude, why are you here, bro? It's simple. Why are you still typing in the chat? You're literally wasting your time as a trader. You got to go find a different educator, man. I'm not that guy. I'm not the guy for you. How are you still here?
Hey, dude. How are you, man? I would just move on.
You're wasting your time, bro. When it comes close to the gap, yeah, we may fill the gap here. All right, on the gap up there the other day. And I did like these sells, but I was really bullish here on the day, right? So that's why I wanted to give that trade a second chance there, but nothing with that. Yeah, if the 1 hour closes above, I'll be. Funny how you only suck if the trade don't work out. Yeah. Hey, how come y'all never blow me up when we take wins? It's only losses. Yo, man, thanks for the how come I never get a yo, thanks for the trade, bro? That was awesome, man. Good call. That's just how it goes. It's just how it goes.
That's just how that goes.
That's how the game go. They like to troll.
Man, I love me the haters.
Stay strong through this, haters. Stay strong, bro.
Yeah, you gotta love the haters.
Yeah, if you ain't got haters, you ain't popping, right? You guys ever heard that song? You ain't got no haters, you ain't popping. Right? If you don't have haters, that means you're just not doing anything, right? Noticeable. Yeah, you gotta understand, losing's a part of the game, man. It's gonna be part of the game.
Haters gonna hate.
I'm not sure. Some of you guys care too much about the loss. That's what shows me your level of maturity in trading. So when I read the comments, I already understand like where you're at.
And yeah, and that shows that you have the habits of a failure trader. Like you're focused on the outcome. You're getting so upset about the outcome. That's what the failure trader does. So how are you gonna say you're profitable if you're on the stream taking Nick's trades and you're worried about the outcome? I don't know. Doesn't add up.
Not adding up, man. Give me a minute. I'm gonna get some more water, and then we'll see how the 4-hour candle closes here, and see if we want to do anything else here today. If not, we'll call it a day. But we'll wait for the 4-hour close here in 15 minutes, and then we'll see where we're at that point. Yeah.
Trading, bringing out people's demons. Yo, facts. You get that word.
And you'll find out real quick as a new trader that if you want to do this long term, man, you gotta be able to stay composed during your trades, no matter the outcome. Yeah, you gotta tighten up.
Tip for psychology: tighten up.
Yo, literally. Like the wise words of Mark Douglas, chat. Not many traders can take 2-3 losses in a row with their system and continue to trade that system, right? A lot of traders can't do that. So you gotta understand, you gotta be aware with that, with the words of wisdom from Mark Douglas. Like when you get in those situations, right? Those circumstances, like you got the words of wisdom right there. You know what you gotta do. Right? You know you're not a loser, right? It's just your system, right? It's just your system playing out.
Gotta be built for it, man.
Hey, yeah.
Gotta be built for it.
Loss you're gonna take. Trust me.
Yeah, man. You had an opportunity
for
to.
2 years, took plenty of losses.
You had an opportunity there to actually strengthen your psychology. Instead, you missed the opportunity there. Don't have reality. Nice. Yeah, just show up to the free live streams. You'll learn a ton, right? It's all free too.
Hey, Saad, appreciate.
Yeah, thank you. Sebastian, appreciate that. Yeah, we've had so many people pass challenges, make thousands of dollars, payouts, all that good stuff. Where you been, son? Yeah, looking nasty now. Yeah, man. But yeah, so 4 hour is closing up. It does look pretty bearish at this point, right? Price is really starting. This was really the range, the area in which I wanted to see some sort of move back up, right? Something up here coming back up like this after creating support, but never ended up happening there. Price is now breaking lower, so we may go ahead and fill this gap here, right, from all the way down to 1850. So that's a possibility for the next 4 hour, right? 4 hour chart is very bearish currently, so you never know, right? You may see that continued push down to come tap into the support level. That would be a pretty big move, but I could see it happening, right? If we close bearish below, pretty strong 1 hour candle, strong 4 hour candle. After getting a top wick, you may see the next one, you know, really start to drive down. So we'll see. We'll see. We got 10 minutes for that. We'll see where we're at that point and see if we want to do anything else here today.
Should you lower lots with
Yeah.
magic keys when trade not going your way? Yo, if you could tell me how to lower my lots after I'm already in the trade and it's not going my way,
That'd be
please let me know. Let me know.
Yeah, facts.
Start
Let
going
me
down
know.
like 30 pips and drawdown. Just lower that from like a 30 lot to like a
Drop that bad boy down.
0.01.
So like a
Yeah,
0
drop,
4.
That'd be
drop that
lit.
boy down.
Imagine you could
0.1.
adjust them in profit too.
And then
That'd
yeah,
be sick.
Oh, yo, I wasn't even thinking about that.
then when you're 10 pips up,
Genius.
crazy.
Yo.
Genius.
If that was the case, I'd just start with a 0.01, 0.02 all day long.
She's up 10.
Yeah, you can scale
Big.
out of it though. Yeah, you can scale out. Like you can cut partials for sure. Yeah, so I've trialed and error with both of the risk management styles. One being close partials, you know, like when lower time frame candles make certain you know, let's say break of the 15-minute high, right? Let's say we're taking a trade off the hourly time frame. You can start managing your position, right? One thing I learned from Raja was like if price comes all the way down, right, and let's say you're like 15, 20 pips in profit, if it comes back up, close half, right? And that way only half can get stopped out, or maybe half keeps going, or you can re-add the half back. So I've trialed and error and tested all these strategies. The one I'm most comfortable with and that makes the most sense for me and clears out the thinking is waiting for candles to close, right? So let's say we took like a sell here and our stops were sitting above here and we entered in on the next candle, right? If this candle goes down but then starts moving up and actually closes bullish above the range, so something like this, then that's when I'll manage my position. But I don't want to manage positions unless I actually see these closures, and then that has worked out for me more than anything, because yes, like when you do manage risk, you start taking these little losses, right? But those little losses can add up. So sometimes, you know, you're going to be able to cut your position, right? Let's say our stops are up here. You'll be able to cut the position right here. But sometimes, unfortunately, you're just going to hit full stops. And that's what's happened to us, I think, the last maybe 4 or 5 times that we lost, right? Is that it actually hit our full stop. So that's the risk you take there. I'm willing to take that risk with an 80% win rate, all right? Because normally what'll happen is price will, let's say, close, but will close below the range, right? And it won't close above, and then price will just continue down. So as long as we're above the range, you're still ahead in that trade. And then typically what I'll see is the next candle remain below there and continue down. Right, so there's a few ways to manage risk. You got to figure out which one works best for you and stick to that one. Right, that's it. Just stick to whichever one works best for you and the one that you're most comfortable with, and that's going to be the one that works for you. And guess what? That one it may be different for you than it is for me, and there's nothing wrong with that. Literally nothing wrong with you viewing the markets different than me. So that's what a lot of you guys do. You guys type in the chat and you tell me about the way you view the markets. But the problem is you're here and you're looking at me trade the way I view the markets, right? So what you say doesn't really correlate with me, right? And then what I say may not correlate with you, and that's why, you think I'm a bad trader, or I think you're a bad, or you're a trader. Like there is no good or bad, right? As long as you're pulling profits and making money in the markets, it doesn't matter what you do, what strategy you use, what risk management plan you use, right? If it works for you, then it works for you. It's simple. And if you were making a boatload of money, guys who make boatloads of money don't leave stupid crying baby comments in people's live chats. Trust me. I know a lot of guys that make a lot of money and they're not going to do that. But yeah, again, there's all different strategies, all different techniques, man. So my way is not better than yours. Your way is not better than mine. It's just whatever works best. How many years of experience that I had? Not that many, right? Not that many. Not as much as for you to put your trust in your entire life in my hands. Let's put it that way, right? I've been trading since 2019. 2019, so what? 20, 21, 22, 23, like 4 years. 4.5 years trading. First 2.5 years really struggled like some of you guys, and after that kind of picked it up and found my groove. Still believe it's gonna go up?
Yeah.
Still hoping.
Yep.
We've got hope. Where's Joey boy?
I don't know.
Chilling? He's nowhere to be found again?
I'm not even sure.
Dum.
He's
I
not
think
in the chat, but I don't know.
Gold's trying to move up. Yeah, that's what I've been thinking this entire time, but for some strange reason, it doesn't want to go up. Lose, blame, win, praise. I like that. There you go, Nikki. Yep. Nicky knows the deal. That's what I see on my side every trade. Lose, blame, win, praise. That's why you never trust in man, because they'll praise you when you're up, but man, when you're down, they won't beat you down. Right? Only trust in the Lord. Learning from you, Nick. Oh, nice. Sometimes got different views on trades. That's totally healthy, right? That's totally normal. Never once did I say I was your YouTube guru. But I mean, our record stands. It is what it is. All the trades are recorded live, right? They're all documented, so we'll keep running the playbook. They don't even praise you when you win. Yeah, that's true, actually. That's true. All right, man. Thanks for the winning trade. See ya. Nah, I know there's a lot of grateful. I'm happy to do this because I know there's a lot of people that are being impacted. A lot of lives changing, right? A lot of people really making headway in their trading and in their overall life. So, of course, you're gonna have a couple rotten apples here and there, and it is what it is. How do I want my praise? I want you to like the stream. Praise me by liking the stream. Don't. John, you set up the desk and everything?
Nah, not yet.
Oh.
I gotta tighten up over there, bro.
Yeah, for real.
Gotta tighten up on that desk, bro. Got that. We
Yeah,
need
bro, I
that.
gotta
We need
get-
that desk setup pick, bro.
No, dog.
Yeah. Gotta tighten up. New crib, new office. Gotta make it look right.
Yeah, bro. I gotta go get my building tools.
Yeah. Didn't I give
Bust out
those
the
to you?
DeWalt.
Nah,
Oh, you didn't take them?
nah.
Oh, gotcha.
Dang.
Want to see that? I want to see you in a new place tomorrow. Nice cabin or a beach house.
Alright, but
Cause Sam's background is just flexing. Flexing up there.
I give you the keys to the.
bro, please
Give him
give
the
me
keys, Sam.
Let me pull up my like GTA screen where I can just like look at pictures of my cribs. Tell
Invite him over.
type beat.
Send me the keys, bro. Flying out there tonight.
Been trading for 2.5 years, but you and Raja changed my trading totally. Oh, nice. Thanks for the free knowledge. Yeah, got you. Yeah, that's awesome, man. Congratulations. Congrats. Doesn't Raja make everything so simple? Send the Addy. Next time, don't announce buy and sell stops. Yo, I think we'll do that. I'll do that. Hold on, yo. You didn't tell me we were taking a trade. Oh, I thought you didn't want the trades. I like that. Supreme. I'm gonna take you up on
Frame,
that.
you're
man.
hired.
We'll randomly pop it.
I get the keys.
Yeah, that's true. Got a trade. That's true.
Trade, what's up?
All right, let's take a look. So, did this candle close yet? 4 hour?
Dude.
Yes. So 4 hour candle close. It did close bearish here. So if price wants to move down here, it's definitely going to need a top wick. But we're going to have to see some new price action here, right? You have a very strong support right here. This is that support that we couldn't break through, I believe. Was it yesterday? Yeah, I think it was yesterday. So yeah, you got a pretty strong support. 15-minute candle close right at it. You need a top wick, right? Expecting to see a top wick on the 4 hour. You do have a wick to fill here. I'm not going to take these positions off the rip on the first minute of this 4 hour open. So we'll see what happens, how this all unfolds here over the next few minutes. Let's pull this up. And then, yeah, GJ. So GJ as well. I think we closed bearish, right? Yeah, so very, very nice 4 hour resistance formed here on GJ. Looking good, right? If you can get a top wick here, then I think you have some really nice moves ahead of you. But wait for the top wick, because you see how the 1 hour is getting slowing down here. You may want to retrace a bit, right? See how the 30-minute as well is kind of just, well, you did close below here actually, but I'm expecting a top wick, right? 4 hour weak candle closure. 1 hour. So the 4 hour is definitely going to need some sort of move up here before the trickle down, I would say. But gold's moving down too now, so let's see. Gold and GJ both moving down. Have I done a video on magic keys? Did I do it? No, I don't think I did. No. Oh, nice. 650 views.
Yeah.
Hey guys, go check this podcast out later too. Escape the lonely, confusing Forex learning process. How you can earn and learn for free. What does that say? For free, ladies and gents. Holy. Imagine complaining about some free stuff.
Wild.
Man. Could tell what kind of kids y'all was. Yeah, it wasn't our day here on gold. Today is not our day. But maybe tomorrow will be. Today was not our day, ladies and gents.
Still love gold.
I mean, I know none of y'all experienced a loss or two on a day, right? You guys just win every day. Winning, winning, winning. It's like that. Winning, winning, winning. Yeah, y'all. Yeah, today wasn't our day here, man. We're looking for buys. Price did not want to do it here for us, so. Sometimes you got the wind at your back. Sometimes it's at the front. You're like, what's he mean by that? They like free government cheese, though. We don't take losses in Wakanda, bro.
Hey, I ain't take a loss today. I took a win. W. Follow my playbook.
I'm down 6%. Can you come back? Oh, of course. Of course. There's no time limit on these things.
Of course you can come back. You
can do it.
Come back.
You can do it. Just picture that dude. You can do it.
Unfortunately, if you don't believe you can do it, you're not gonna. But if you can, then you will. Yeah, Nick, that was funny, bro.
Which one?
That voice.
You can do it. If you believe you can, you can. Props to Nick.
Only if you believe.
I'd commit a crime. Go out and commit crimes after this. Ah. How do you activate auto break even? It never works for me. I believe you have to be in a trade. Auto break even. Actually, I don't use auto break even. You see the green partial TP one next to stop loss at entry? That's the one I use. So what that is that'll set up your partial TP line, and then that has a feature in it where when that line gets tapped, not only will it close your partials, but it'll also move your stops automatically to break even. Yeah, I like using that one the best. That's that purple line that you guys see me pull up here and there. Yeah, there you go. Look, W day regardless. We win these days. I've learned to wait for extra confirmation on the 30-minute time frame for buys as support. W. Beautiful, Billy. See, like he may or may not have taken that loss, but he learned something on the stream today, right? That hey, maybe, just maybe, the 30 minutes going to give you a better confirmation, right? Maybe that's the only thing we can say on this position, that maybe we could have waited for the 30, right? But there was also reasons to take this off the 15-minute onion play, right? On a bullish day. So yes, I agree there. And then, you know, waiting for that 30 minutes. So maybe at 8 a.m. we could have waited for, let's say, 8:30, right? 8 a.m. to close, and then took positions at 8:30, and then that would have been the move there. So W, right? As long as you're learning something, these losses are just they're like, they fly by, right? Because regardless, if you're going to do this long term, today's loss in 10 years, are you really going to feel bad about today's loss? No, right? But what will you have from the loss? You'll have greater experience, and you have figured something out that you can now use for the next 10 years to avoid maybe taking another loss like that, right? Which is waiting for higher time frame confirmation. So which way do you want to look at it? You know, which way do you want to, what perspective are you going to have after, you know, an opportunity to take a lesson and learn something to move forward in your career? Or you're going to cry about it like a little baby and then just keep crying, right? Just jump to the next guy and cry on his shoulder, and jump to the next guy and cry on his shoulder, right? Or are you going to get it? So good stuff, Billy.
Oh. Hey, what's up, TK? And that's facts, bro. It's just rent. It's just like an investment.
Yes.
They're just rent.
Some of you guys are in business, right? You guys got business expenses. That today's a business expense. Simple. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it here for me today, because I already took 2 L's. I'm not gonna put myself in a position to breach my account or anything. So that's gonna be it for me. I wanted to take opportunity of those buys, but got nothing there, right? Today wasn't our day here on gold, but it was a day to learn, right? It was a day to stay grounded in our playbook, and that's what we did, right? So we can't do anything better than stick to our playbook. So what do we do tomorrow? We come back, we look for the next best trade that the playbook offers, and we go ahead and let it rip, right? No emotions, no attachments to today. We just keep on moving. So hope y'all have a great day. Sam, John, thanks for pulling up as always, boys.
Of course.
Yes, sir.
The rest of you guys, all the mods, appreciate you guys being here today. All the amazing people on the live stream, appreciate you guys as well. And hope you guys have a good one. There may be some more moves today to keep an eye out for, but that's going to be it for me today. I'm actually going to go check out this interview, because I don't even really remember everything we talked about in it. So I'm going to check out this interview here in a little bit and enjoy the day, and come back tomorrow reset for a fresh new one. So love y'all. Hope you guys have a great one. W's on the way out here today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Have a good day, y'all.
All right,
Peace.
yep. Take it easy. Peace.
Later, boys.
Peace.
Later.